doing now? Well, I'll put a clip of me welding this shit together, but I'm gonna cut most of it out because it's not very interesting. But flap disc. One of you bitches got a flap disc. There we go. Flapucci. Flapucci mama. Well, folks, check that out. A little band on that side and a little band on that side. That's all nice and Freddy Krugerish. Alright, let me turn this off. Some of you might like watching welding, but I'm just checking to see. See, I put the little bands in here. This has got to be straightened out a little better. It's a little crooked. It's okay. This is what I did is I welded the little bands on top for the first knuckle, and I'm going to weld them on. I just want to see how good, if anything moved. See, it's got to be tapped in there a little. See, it goes there. We're still missing a... See, once I'm all done, I'm gonna... Where the hell is this thing now? God damn it. Get in there. Get in there. There we go. See, once this is all done, I gotta shave down this side a little. I put the little... If you look at this right here, this has the little knuckle pieces here that give you the little thing there. Well, this so far has one of them. I got to get the other one. So once this is riveted on there, I'll be able to pull one set, and then once I get the other set of bands on here, then I'll make the little bands. I have a little scrap pile over here somewhere of these little suckers. Just do that. And so that should be enough to get it done. So anyway, like, subscribe, and hope you like my Halloween Kruger build. Maybe next year I'll find something else to do.